Hi everyone, welcome to Hedgehog Hollow. So today I have a great hack for you. You're going to see on the mantelpiece behind me a really cute little garland, and this was inspired by a Pottery Barn piece. So if you check out the picture on your screen, that's a really expensive garland. I'm like, I can make that at home. So I'm going to show you how, because it is super easy. First of all, I found myself a Harry Potter font for my electronic cutting machine. For me, that's a Cricut Maker, but you could use, a Silhouette or Scan and Cut, whatever you have, and we'll add a link below to where you can find that Harry Potter font. So the next thing you want to do is grab yourself a piece of twine. So I'm using the Lawn Fawn Trimmings. This is a really pretty gold one. We'll add links below as well. And I just measured it to the length of my mantelpiece with a little bit of droop in it. And you have a couple of different options with this font. So the font itself has these little holes on top if you want to hang it, but that kind of hangs it on its side like this. Whereas what you can do is have it hanging straight, and I'm going to show you how. So I'm just grabbing my glue gun, and I'm going to take this, and I'm going to put a little dab of glue on each like this. And then I'm just going to press it down. I'm working on an easy clean mat. This is a Tonic easy clean mat. It's great to work with inks and all sorts of different things, but the great thing with a glue gun when you use it is any excess glue you get just comes straight off. So you can see, whoops, that was hot. I'm just adding that little dot on here. Now I do have usually little silicone covers for my fingers, but I didn't pick those up, so I'm just going to be careful. But you see it's sticking right down onto my surface, and this is going to lift straight back up, and I'm going to show you that in a second. So this is Kunin felt that I bought at a big box store, and this is a really nice felt because they make it all out of plastic bottles, so it's a recycled felt, but it still feels really nice and premium. So you see here I can just lift this off. Now it's dry. This one's a little bit tacky still, and then this one's dry, but it's not actually sticking, and it's not hurting my project either, which is the really nice part. This one's still wet, so I'm going to move it up here. And this one over here is dry, so this at the top you can see, and you can see it just peels straight off once it's dry. So it's really easy to clear up. We're going to straighten out our P, and we'll add on our Y. So then I just put this into my Cricut. I cut it using my maker, telling it that I had felt in there, and it took me less than 5 minutes because all I had to do was type this out, make my letters to the size that I wanted. Now I'm going to leave a gap for Christmas, and in case you wondered which way up it goes, you've always got that little nodule at the top. But Pottery Barn are doing an amazing Harry Potter Christmas, and I'll let you into a spoiler alert. My lounge this year, my family room, is a Harry Potter tree, which we'll be sharing with you later this week or early next week once it's finished. It's going to look amazing. We've got Hedwig in the tree, we have the sorting hat, we have books, so many fun things in the tree. It's going to look amazing, and we'll show you exactly how we did it as well. So if you are thinking, I would love a Harry Potter Christmas, but I cannot afford that Pottery Barn price tag, I am totally with you there. I mean, it's super expensive, these Pottery Barn things. So I'm just moving this across like so, and I'm going to stick the rest of my Christmas on. But you can really hack a lot of these things, and we're going to be showing you more of these on the channel. People asked how they can take their normal paper crafting and elevate that into home decor. So this is one of those great ways to do that. I did a different garland in a recent class I made for Altenew about washi tape. So there's lots of ways you can take all of those supplies you have in your craft room already for your paper crafting, your scrapbooking, and you can make them into all of these fun home decor pieces. So I'm nearly at the end, and then I'll lift it up to show you. But you see how easy is this? I mean, it's taking me a couple of minutes to do. And if you wanted to, you could make holes in those nodules at the top, like I did on the one behind me. But I think it's going to last longer if I glue it on, because I did have one tear a little bit on me, and I decided that this was probably an easier way to go. So I'm going round the bend a little bit. Like so. And I'm leaving, okay, maybe an inch between the top of each letter, just roughly as a guideline for you. And here's my final S. That. And I'm just going to give it a second to dry, but you can see how my happy has already come along, and it looks great over here. And then we've got our Christmas coming up, and you can see these ones are dry, so they're not pulling at all. This one's not quite so dry, but I'm going to pull it up anyway. And hot glue dries super quick, as we all know. We're going to restick our A because I didn't give it long enough. And I've been making this for maybe 5 minutes, so that's how quick it is once you've cut everything out on your Cricut. And I'm going to pick this one up carefully, and I'm going to show you how it looks. And there you go. So that is it finished. Pull off a couple of little strings I've got on there. But super, super cute to put on your mantelpiece this Christmas. And cleanup wise, you can see here's my easy clean mat. I just run my fingers across it and all of my excess is going to come up. So super easy cleanup as well. Check out the links below. We'll add everything we used in down there. And don't forget to join me tomorrow for another tip, trick tutorial. Maybe something a little bit different. We've got some really fun Christmas things coming your way. So make sure you've hit that subscribe button and rung the bell as well. And I'll see you again really soon. Happy crafting, everyone. Bye.